Hey everybody, Mr. Market Ready here, and today we're making a video on Smashy Road again because I actually want to see if there's more than 5 stars, because last video we got 5 stars actually, and I think there's 6 stars, so if we get 6 stars, I'm going to end the video there, so it's right there. If you want film or a ghost, good editing app, you can put in slow motion, fast motion, whatever. So Smashy Road's right there. We're gonna play it right now. Huh? I'm making a video. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Look. She doesn't know yet because she's only 5. So you'll see when I upload it. You'll see. You'll see the same words I heard. I talked. So I'm gonna be Taeyeon. Get off of me. You don't hear anything. Okay, so last time we got the dump truck, Smashy Road. So I think, cause I need a space, so I deleted the game again. I'm sorry. So I still remember how to play the game. So let's do this. Not one stop. No. Stop, Rohel. You just made me get busted so quick. Just wait. Okay, the desert. Let's do these. Okay, I actually kind of forgot how to play this game. It's been like 3 days since I played this game. But we're gonna see if there's 6 stars, if I can do it. Uh-oh. 2 stars. Let's do this. Oh, no. I'm dead. Oh. Yes, I am, Rohel. I am making a video. You just don't believe me. You remember, you'll see, Rohel, you'll see. Oh, you saw that glitch? You saw that glitch? That was a glitch. I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot in this video. What you watching? Oh my god! What's wrong with the game?
I don't know.
I never seen that before. How did I just... Oh my god. This game is broken. What happened? Oh my god. I did, Rohel. I will show you a video on my channel when I played it. Gosh. Yes, I did. I'll show you. Yes, I do. You see, Rohel. How do you even know? You don't watch my channel. You don't even know what the channel's called. Okay, what is it called? No. I said dump truck. That's the car I'm using right now, dummy. Yes, I am. Come look. See, that's a dump truck.
No, that's the police.
Yeah, that's chasing me. Duh. She's just 5, so don't ignore her. How? What? Oh my god. What is... Shut up, Rohel. Gosh. You. I'm gonna get a car. Yes, I... Look. Come, Rohel. Come. Look. Oh, man. I pressed the play button on accident. Okay, look. Okay, if I die... Look, I'll show you how my car. Go sit down. Look, I'll show you when I die. Okay, something's wrong with the game. Shut up! I played the game before. Hey, look, McDonald's. come. I'll show you I can get a car. Look. Look. Look, I got a car.
That's a truck.
That's not a truck. That's a convertible.
It's like a truck, so we gonna.
I was just using a truck.
So that means that's still.
Oh
a truck.
my gosh.
That's still a truck.
That's not a truck.
You can actually.
Okay, I don't even care. I'm not even gonna talk.
That's a good thing to say.
Be quiet. God. Imagine how much they have to live with these people.
And then his head is bushy and bald headed.
Bald head is not a word, you dummy. Oh my god. I'm still alive? I can actually get a 6-star. No. Oh, stop throwing stuff. Gosh, I wish Akil was here so he can beat you up. Man, I want to get a 6-star so bad.
My earring stuck.
Your earring stuck? That's what you get.
I have to get up. Mommy!
Your earring stuck? Oh, no. Alright, let me get up so I can help you.
Oh,
Move.
I'm gonna hold it.
Okay. Get up a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, I know how to do this. Hold up, guys. Your earring is stuck. Oh, I know how to do this. It's not gonna hurt. Don't worry. There. There we go. Now let's go again. No, it's not. Get up. Let me see. It's not. I can see her. She's such a liar. It's not, Rohea. So I found a technique. So if you just keep going like this, you can actually survive. Look. Left, right, 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 left. What? But it actually worked. So I cannot get a 6-star. It's very hard.
Yeah.
Shut up, Rohea. Hey, looks McDonald's. Okay. Whoa! I just went through that car. Yes, I did. You didn't even see me. Wow, the police can't even find me. No, don't move, so the police won't find me. Why did you move? Not you, Rohea. The ambulance. Be careful. No. Left, right. There we go. Okay, the left, right. Dang it! So I cannot get a 6-star. This is so hard. Oh, I'm gonna try one more time, okay, guys? I'm gonna try one more time. If you hear that music, from Geometry Dash. Oh, I'm gonna see that truck again. See if I can explode it. You're such a liar. I know you lying, Rohea. Left, right. There we go. It kind of works, the left-right strategy. I'm missing all them dollars. Left, right. Be quiet. You. Oh, left, right. You don't know what it means either. Okay, this game has a lot of glitches, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Mr. Gamer D here, going out.